Hey, come check this out.
Welcome to the Cover Style training program in South Africa. We're talking 2 days of pure creativity and hands-on action. Day 1, it's all about getting your head in the game. We break down the essentials, from the magic behind our wraps to how you can flip this into your own business. It's easier than you think. Then, it's on to day 2, where the real fun begins. This is where you get your hands dirty, learning to wrap like a pro. We're talking shelves, corners, and those tricky joins that'll make you a wrapping wizard. You'll be wrapping shelves, fixing up mistakes, and learning to make everything look flawless. Every task you get is scored, so bring your A game. Then, there's the box. This is the big one, where you've got to nail those corners, joins, and overlaps. It's the challenge that separates the level 1s from the pros. Get at least 15 out of 20 and you're officially a wrapping master. Do you think you've got what it takes? So, are you in? Join us at the Cover Style training program and let's make something amazing together.